There was a man who had nothing. No job, no money, no home. He was so broke. He sold his own dog for $40 just to survive. But even then, he never gave up on his dream of becoming an actor. He faced rejection after rejection, more than 1,500 times. Yet he kept believing that one day his time would come. And finally, it did. His story became one of the greatest movies ever made, Rocky. The first thing he did after success? He bought his dog back, because true fighters never forget where they started. This is Life Gyan with Samir. Keep learning, keep growing.